Okay, we're gonna go to Gucci. If you are in Vista Village and you want to go to Gucci, I suggest first thing you do as soon as you get there is scan their digital QR code, because it's gonna be hard to get inside without doing that. And while waiting for your queue, then you can go around and check other shops. Everything is 50% off. These boots, I really like. It was 600 pounds and reduced to 300 pounds. Unfortunately, they don't have my size. Now this one was 800 and reduced to 400. They have my size, but it doesn't feel comfortable, so I didn't get it. Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, of course, like as I promised, I will be doing the unboxing of this Gucci bag that I bought from Bicester last time. Okay, so without further ado, let's open it. Right. So this is it, and then this is the receipt. Let me show you how much I paid for this bag, okay? I paid $950 for this bag. Okay? This bag is 50% off. So originally it was 1,800 something. You do the math. But yeah, I managed to get 50% off dito sa bag na to. And honestly, I like classic bag. So I chose this bag because it is classic. Very simple. And I've seen it before sa tao lang, pero I've never seen it in shop, and I always wanted to buy it. So now I got it. Let's open. Ta-da! It's a backpack, guys, and it has a chain at the back. Like this. It's very pretty. I really like it. Like as I said, classic siya. And I like classic kasi it never goes out of style. Kahit 20 years from now, I'm sure I can still wear this bag. Look at that. I love it. And let me show you how it looks like inside. Napakasimple lang niya. Okay, let's start here pala. So, meron siyang pocket sa front. So, you can put things na madalas mong gamitin, such as phone or wallet, card, whatever. And then here, it's like this. Let's remove this. Oh, it has this, yung mga papers. So, let's just keep it there. No, I'll put it out muna. And, here you go. Meron siyang malaking pocket dito. And it has another pockets here, two little pockets. I guess you can put cards also. But yeah, it's there. So, ganyan itsura niya sa likod. And here, na-adjust siya. Okay. Tapos, syempre, ayan, meron siyang handle. Ang cute. It's not heavy, guys. Even if it's chained, it's not heavy. Right. Let me show you how it looks like kapag gamit ko siya, ha? Okay, guys. So, this is how it looked like. Cute. So nice. It's very cute. I really like it. I think I can use it with, yan, kagaya nito, kahit ganito lang yung suot ko, I can use it like this. I can also use it when I'm wearing jeans or short or skirt or skirt. I can also use it kapag naka-trainers ako or naka-high heels ako, whatever. I think it can go with any outfit that I want to use. It's so nice. I love it. Yan siya, guys. And then, meron siya ritong hawakan ganyan. So, if you wanna open it, like this. Like this. And then, when you close it, you can hold this. And then, you can close it. Also, in the other side, is the same. You hold it, and then you close it. There. It's so nice. I love it. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. And I hope you like my bag, because I really do. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time I upload a new video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye! Love it. Like this one.